Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix product not showing in online store on Shopify. So if your Shopify product is not appearing in your online store, you'll have to follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Number one way is checking the product availability. Navigate to Shopify admin on admin.shopify.com and navigate to products. Then click on the product that is missing. So you'll have to simply click on any of the product that will be available, and after clicking on that product you'll be taken to the products page. Here under sales channels and apps you can see it is just right here. Ensure that online store is selected. So you'll have to make sure that online store is selected here. You can also click on this three dotted icon and click on manage sales channels and click on the online store again and click on done, and that would instantly fix your problem. Now, another way to do this is making sure that the product is active. In the product settings on this page, check that the product status is not draft or archived. Make sure it is published. So click on this three dotted icon, click on manage sales channels and make sure it is online store selected. Also, you'll have to go back from this page and make sure that this product is published. As you can see, the status is active. Now, third way to fix this problem is verifying the inventory settings. Ensure the product has stock under inventory. Navigate to inventory under product, and if continue selling when out of stock is disabled, enable it if needed. Or you can also just navigate to products page, click on the product, scroll down, and if you're tracking the quantity, make sure you also turn this button on that says continue selling when out of stock. After you turn this button on, click on save, go back, and your product will be back on your online store. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is checking the product collections. If the product is in a collection, verify that the collection is set to appear in the store. Navigate to product, navigate to collections, and here you'll have to just confirm that the collection is available in the online store. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is reviewing visibility settings. So if you're using manual collections, check that the product is added. If it's an automated collection, make sure that the product meets the conditions set for that collection. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is syncing and republishing theme. Navigate to online store, then navigate to themes and click customize. Now, click save to refresh the theme setting. So you'll have to basically do any changes and click on save button at the top, then go back and make sure your theme is currently active. After doing this, your product will be back to your online store. Now, seventh way to fix this problem is checking for Shopify storefront. You can clear your browser cache and try loading the store in incognito mode. Simply click on three dotted icon at the top right, click on settings, then navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, then click on choose what to clear. Here, you'll have to choose to clear the cookies and other site data. Make sure you tick this box and click on clear now, and that could also fix a problem. Now, eighth way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify support. So if none of the above steps work, you'll have to simply navigate to a new browser, type in Shopify Help Center, then click on the link that says help.shopify.com, and you'll be taken over to this page where you can easily ask for support and fix your problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.